Say hello, Bono. Sing, Bono. How do you sing? His name's Bono because of U2 singer. Bono. An Irish parrot. He's green. Saint Paddy. He's an Irish guy. He's a lovely parrot. The best friend I could ever have. How do you sing, my dear? I will be with you again. I will be with you again. I was only outside when you needed me. I was looking at myself, I was blind, I could not see. He's Bono. He brings good luck. Well, that's how. Isn't he cute? He bite me. Well, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Be careful. Thanks for your company.